Switching between Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop flawlessly can unlock a whole new level of creative freedom for your design projects. First, let's look at the file in Illustrator. Identify the design you want to move to Photoshop. Notice the complexity. This is all made up of vector paths and outlines. This makes it perfect for scaling and editing in different ways. Ensure your artwork is organized in layers. This will help you control different elements individually when you bring them into Photoshop. Now, jump over to Photoshop. We'll need to import your Illustrator file. Click the File menu located typically in the top left corner of your screen. Then, select Open from the drop-down menu. A File Explorer window will open. This is where you will navigate to locate your Adobe Illustrator file. Locate the AI file that you saved from Illustrator and select it. Click Open to proceed. Once you click Open, you'll be given import options inside a dialog box. Keep the type as Smart Object. This is key to preserving your vector data and letting you scale the design without losing quality. Also, ensure anti-alias is checked to smooth the edges. This adds detail. Click OK. Your Illustrator design is now in Photoshop. As a smart object, you can resize and transform it without quality loss. You can double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail in the Layers panel to open the Illustrator file for editing, and any changes you make will automatically update in Photoshop. With your designs now since 10 smooth, you can then add all your favorite enhancements, such as textures and raster-based effects to your vectors. Enjoy your designs and level up those designs. That's it. You've successfully moved your design from Illustrator to Photoshop while keeping it scalable and editable. Now, go make something amazing.